Sanibonani, Dumelan, Absheng, Sanibingelela guys. It's me again, your boy King Shamase. Ngihamba with my co-host, the legendary Msholozi. Guys, itanko Diski podcast le. You remember last time itopic ebesinayo ebidlelubi with development yethu. It was about age nokuthi we wish ukuthi lapha koSAFA and stuff bazame ukuyibukisisa le ndaba yokuthi umntwana kwi-age ethile ukuheada umsholozi ke wangena kuyona. But ke before singene emathumbini ayo yonke indaba and recap back asamukele umsholozi sibingelele ababukele emakhaya.
Siyabingelela kakhulu Shamasi unjani mfethu, siyabingelela emakhaya. Hayi namhlanje sine energy la ngaliphumile.
Yes sir.
I know no energy level is very up and we are grateful for uNkulunkulu for another day and keep supporting us, keep supporting iDiski, usupport iTanko podcast, support kakhulu. Take Two TV support, Sicelo Sports support, Pinetown Super Cup nis support nakhona. But what is important ile topic oyishoyo Shamasi ukuthi ngempela it's identical masikhuluma ngalezi zinto because uyayibona nawe ukuthi izingane zale minyaka zifana nezingane zale minyaka eyadlula. So it was very important for us to touch base on this topic yokuthi how did people feel and are we in the right manner when we saying ukuthi abantu kancane asibuke lento development okhethi singane ibhola at an early age of their development and it's some skill engaphindi ifundwe at the later stage. That's what we believe in. Obviously as we still on this development type of a situation, we need to make sure ukuthi there are some other things ezenzakala ebholeni that we find ourselves in or singazi thina abanye bethu ukuthi why manje sekunjalo. I think nezinto now that you want clarity at that we're saying we not expect, but we're just putting more research into things and zenze experiences and the experience ibe ngcono in terms of the journey that one has taken and we are very much grateful to share the knowledge and also siphinde sibanika abantu ukuthi nabo they also tell us ama-opinion wabo. Yes
sibonile lapha Msholozi kuyona topic abantu baphendulile. I'm not sure if they are coaches or their parents, but bayasho ukuthi no le information ya last week bebengayazi so iyasiza lento ye development and abanye sebezoyi-apply abayibona ukuthi izobasebenzela because iscalp sengane sisuke sisasoft and leyo nto idala wona ama-problems. I know ukuthi kumele sisebenze kuyona ngoba yonke indawo kune-secret yakhona ukuthi how to crack the industry and all those things. But uma ucabanga wena Msholozi iyiphi age noma i-strategy esingaqala ukuthi ingane yenze as ama-professional players ukuthi ingafiki leya age sine-trauma nani.
I think it's very important Shamasi that we need to have indlela yokwenza. I believe mina the right age will be umuntu when is about 16 ena 16 turning 17 iskill angasifunda for 3 years. If we're focusing on that skill in particular when the person is done with the izinto zokunderstand the technique yabo, then from there skill sokhead I think he can learn it up until 3 years on his development. We're not saying ukuthi we just feel ukuthi we'll be more precise in scoring as well. It was with this problem ayizulapha izoba ne solution. Yabo uyabona udokotela kuphuma philisi ekhanda engaze niqale kanjani. So those things. So I believe mina ukuthi if this thing can be done at 17, I don't think ukuthi play ngathatha nenyanga ukufunda ukhead.
That's true.
Because already this person was always jumping, his agility is proper and so meaning that when he jumps he will also jump manje say understand ukuthi ngijumpela ukhead manje at that stage. But I feel ukuthi it will really help and assist yabo in terms of fit development and in terms of growth yengane in particular.
No, yona inamandla Msholozi. Ngiyangibona we have a lot of tournaments, but to be specific mhlambe kwi-Pinetown age group le esikhuluma ngayo right now ama minors ukuthi ama coaches asuke belethe ingane kuleyo level banayo mhlambe i-workshop yokuthi guys, this is the rules, this is how we go. Noma babona sebesensimini ukuthi hey se-Super Cup inalama rules of which asikho familiar nawo.
I think ngenxa ye bazothini konje kodwa ngosemni ngixole emakhaya. We with so much that is going on.
Yeah.
We will love to have a workshop. But we haven't had a workshop.
Okay.
We with coaches.
Okay.
We feel ukuthi we need to have a workshop only if we can get abantu to right people in terms of sponsors because people are living from far. Just imagine team as a goal attending this seminar and whatnot. But we just saying ukuthi with what now we're gonna have going forward, we need such things to happen. I mean like because it's important.
Yes.
For me I believe Shamase ukuthi this topic ye development we will see it ukuthi ngani sijabula kanjani.
Yeah.
Uma ubuka iPSL ubuka iEPL half of the time ibhola liya ngaphandle kuPSL. Have you ever asked your question why ibhola lihlezi lingaphandle? It's because sifuna set play, sifuna ukuliphonsa ibhola.
Yeah.
But phesheya they avoid ibhola
Until
kwengani.
phum.
Angeke ngenza umzekelo. If we start teaching these boys ukuthi ibhola uma laphuma ngaphandle it's a set play. It's a scoring opportunity. Then a coach will avoid the boy to kick the ball out. Angazi noma understand. Coach manje will be saying to his boy because he knows if you keep ibhola in let's say nje ukhipha ibhola phela laba badlala emapeleni amancane ngithi asike sithi mhlawumbe ukhipha ibhola bengisazosho manje itopic izolandela ukuthi why badlala emapeleni amancane just for today. So meaning uma elikhipha ibhola let's ulikhipha nje la eduze kwe18 ulikhipha ngaphandle akasezuthi well done anymore uzothi play to defend. Meaning ukuthi akazuthi ingane elikhiphe ngaphandle ibhola uzoba forced ukuthi ngoba is a set play uma kunjalo. Uma belikhipha ngaphandle ibhola baba ne set play bashaya ibhola direct to goalkeeper wakho kuba igoal. Can you see now sesibafundiseni at the same time sesibafundiseni i-shooting ukuthi malila nje kade i drop on une set play when and is a direct kick to keep.
No, guys.
Say improve any technique yokukhatheka. Yabo. So it's very important. It's very important. No, so I wish njoba tibuza lo mbuzo obuzile nami ngawuphendula abroad ukuthi no iSuper Cup we don't yet have a workshop but it's on the pipeline.
Ikhona emcabangweni.
Yes.
So guys hinamandla kakhulu we learn every day. Khona into ethintile la yama ground ne?
Yes.
Kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi abadlali bahambisane ngeage yabo also nama dimension ukuthi ground livuleka kangakanani because ngeke ngibone ukuthi in one big field mhlawumbe ihlukaniswe kabili noma ka4 depending
kodwa lento ayenzeki angizusho kabi ayenzeki in some areas let me put it in that way because they don't understand why. Suddenly they think ukuthi umuntu under 11 can play in a full match ku under 13 kwi ground abantu abadala. They think it's possible. Yabo?
Yeah.
Mina ke ngaqala kanjalo. I started playing 11v11. I never played with 9v9 njengoba sekwenzeka manje.
Okay.
That was then.
Okay.
Ngiyahlezi ngizibuza umbuzo futhi ukuthi why did they choose to play in a smaller field kuma ages athize? Then my answer was ukuthi ngithi benzele ukuthi kube nokuthi bakwazi ukukora masishane bakwazi ukuba seduzane nani.
Yeah.
Apart from that, as I'm growing as a coach, I then discover something else.
Okay.
I'm discovering now it's not that. Yabo, they want to make sure that the ball touches the ball more than scoring. In a shorter scale, utouch the ball kaningi, then you get to learn more.
Okay,
but the question is that if unosicelo Zuma whose pace unejubane edlala ku11v11 can you see ukuthi mewabamba ibhola libeka lapha uyahamba nje alibamba ibhola libeka lapha then ball control is not there. That's why you find ukuthi usicelo was hot kulama age group because of ube nalento okubamba ibhola libeka akashaya igoli buya ngokuzolala but ulshaya ibhola lisoyile kuphi highest level when they close that space then you can perform because when ufuna ispace eside sokugijima so when we close that gap with early ages then it does help not scoring but in terms of learning the game. So that was into engiyibona manje ukuthi coaches they need to understand ukuthi why did they do this yabo. But with that being said we also have a challenge enkulu esibhekene nayo whereby uthola ukuthi sekwenzekile lokho
yes
but still ama goalpost they are not conducive for umfana ona 10. Have you seen igame mhlawumbe uZambele neshama seClermont wherever lesihlala ngakhona uthola ukuthi umfana ona 11 uvimbe kulo bhazabhazo wepani
exactly kuyenzeka lo kaningi
angeke ngibuze itopic ubani oba good between umfana lo goalkeeper omncanyana ozivimbele epalini nje elikhulu nalozo okhahlela ubani ocabanga ukuthi
oqeqesheka
kangcono
I think we'll keep
why you keep
because una more room to ukwenza njani to ku stretcher nani kuona wonke ama angle makumele kiwe phezulu go high kakhulu emasayidini yonke leyo nto ozokhahlela una more chances vele of scoring because the size of the poles are too big for the keeper yabo so yena akanayo into ezothi kumele azasebenzise i-technique ethize in order for him to score the goals.
You've answered me but ukwenzakala ku-PSL right now what is the challenge esibhekene nayo
iyona le ama goal phela
ukuthini
correct
why kunjalo kubeni umfana we know ukuthi he was scoring a lot of goals when he was in this age and this age and this age why manje ngasakore kulabo phezulu
guys like question please answer lapho coaches and nabantu abama followers Msholozi I don't know ku development mangibuka they don't have these things lezo khuluma ngazo kwamanye ama development not wonke because when we talk about isicelo it's something new nami bengiqala ukuyibona from all the developments engiye ngaba i-part and parcel yawo so that's why I'm interested with these all new questions ukuthi if we talk about them abanye bazokwazi uthatha ama point and work on it so Msholozi vele usinike lo lwazi vele usinike nje straight
no ngizothi you're 100% right when you said the keeper is got a better chance of learning more obviously with striker sakhahlela most of the times so sharp phezulu ibhola most of the time half of the times so sharp phezulu ibhola because the keeper cannot reach then it's a goal whenever he kicks high it's a goal so he doesn't really learn nothing to pick a spot.
True.
He just kick ngoba vele lo akazofika shine but he doesn't when he needs to pick a spot in a match in an actual match sharp as weapon. But look what happened overseas. They pick a spot because they made sure at an early age kuba nzima ukukora kwi strike. So that everyone has got an equal chance. A keeper can save a ball in his area because the poles are avimbe kuona amaphola lingana naye. Ne striker futhi kufanele sifunde ukupick isport ukuthi ibhola ngifuna ukushaya lapha. But thina la sikwenza kube lula. So uma sesifika ke high level sithi why labafana bangakora? Why catch ibhola futhi kanje? Usicela futhi waye inkomo usicela why catch kanje? No, it was because of the proper structure was not placed up until to me. Because if babe ngangifunda ukuthi how to pick a sport, how to score a ball, half of us shy ball ushanga ufuna ukudouble net.
That's true.
So I'm saying those principles like I mean they must be not it's a must, they must be there in the match. They must be there ukuthi ingane zikhula ngayiphi indlela. So it's very important ukuthi maswasho lama topic people they take notes and understand ukuthi we are not saying we expect but we are saying ingafika abe kwamapala amancane. Yabo? But still, if a coach doesn't understand what is the problem, what is it that is been put in front of us, is that uma bedlala kulamapala amancane, they must combine more. they must combine more so that they share, because it's not easy for that player that was good ukudominate amanda dribble wonke umuntu because the ground is short. Uzobadinga laba abanye ukuthi babaphasele. So it's very important to understand ukuthi whenever now we develop in that man. They must touch the ball more so that they learn more. In a match, they then experiment later to be phone.
Yes.
It's transformation. It's very important. So what is important is that they need to understand why did we say we agree with ukuthi ngahedwa early. So the thing when is 5 ibhola liphumele ngaphandle. They avoided all cost ibhola liphumele ngaphandle.
Yeah, Msholozi. And usalapho ngifikelwa ile yokuthrowa ukuthi is it necessary ukuthi uzuyifake kuma coaching settings and stuff or anyone can
I will always say there's another skill esingafundwa at the later stage. It's not important. It's really for them njengoba ngisho namanje abantu they can come up to me and say what it's a skill esingekho important in a match enganeni ezincane. So that with the header they can be scratched. I'm waiting for ukuzwa kwabanye coach when we discuss, but for me it's a skill esinga develop. That's for me it's a skill esinga develop at a very later stage ukuthi uthatha ibhola ulibeke ngemuva uliphonse kanje.
Yes, into leyo yonke team ingayibamba leyo nto as earliest.
Everyone. But guess what, because that skill is not been taught, half of your team at under 15 level they cannot throw the ball. To get my point, that skill is not been taught. So that's why in a match, in a PSL match, there is maybe one guy that will never throw a ball in a PSL level because that skill was never taught. But it's a skill esingafundiseka in its own town, in its own time. Awucabange nje mawufundisa leso skill kuphela. Namhlanje bafana bami ngizonifundisa nje bana 16. I'm coming here today, boys, to learn on how to throw the ball for an good 30 minutes. Throw. Umise kahle, throw. Elikuthi ibhola, this is how you throw. Elike duzane, this is how we throw. Angabe manje ucoach bangitshela ukuthi ukhona yini in session is a topic le ngeke ngiyiphendule. Ukhona yini in session abe neqiniso ucoach no coach wherever you are in South Africa, wherever that you are. Okuhlale phansi nje ufundise ukuthi namhlanje angikhulumi ngo PSL and with the so called, but I'm talking about thina la ku grassroots ukuthi siyaba inesikhathi asibi naso. There is so much challenges that we've got that we can focus on that skill alone. So it's not an important skill vele ngoba we're not touching on it. Why can't it be touched at the later stage, Shamas?
Sholos, no. Asibambe la because guys. Ziyakhala, please comment lapho, we need your views as well. Mhlambe just to touch base kancane kuleyo ukuthi there's an academic side and a talent side. Njoba sika development vele sikhathi esiningi sifocus kuma minors, which is our primary level. Hlasimbe vele asibona teacher so coach and facilitators, but between umzali nothisha, how do we identify ukuthi lengane ine talent at an early age so that sizokwazi ukuthi siyise kwisicelo, siyise ikephi lapha kamasho like ekuthiwa khona, but sifake kule ndawo ubona ukuthi this person is not academic inclined at an early age?
I think Shamasi, you're touching a very big topic. The whole topic of financial enter on the week to come. I mean, because that is huge. I believe me ukuthi uma ubona bekhuluma ngorele mfukeng manje. Uma wakhe will tell you. This child was showing clips anje that is going to be a star
at an early age.
At an early age. But because abanye they are not challenged rights by fostelega entweni ezithi I must go to this point and this point. I still feel ukuthi mina if umuntu has been identified that this boy is special in cricket, he should be having to be put in that school esizompolisha more ukuthi lento cricket ayazi ukuthi core so that ezokwazi ukuphumelela ngayo.
So lana, sorry Msholozi, between umzali nothisha ubani okwazi ukubona lengane early between the two, because you know umzali isikhathi asithola nengane kakhulukazi kuba weekend sometimes isikhathi esiningi ihlala esikoleni ubani onama chances are better to see ukuthi hey uShamase ngathi methi yamhlula but mase kwi break time noma kwama sports Thursday is excellent.
Where ngiyakuthanda umbuzo when it comes to the educational part uthisha is got an age ukuthi kanjani but in nowadays you can see if your daughter is struggling at something or your child so ubaba noma wakhe if they are involved enganeni they are the first person to see ukuthi lengane ifunze mina ngento so uma ingane ingenzi kahle akekho uthatha iblame yalokho kodwa should ingane yenze kahle uzoqala ethi hayi ifunze mina ke le yebo so means ukuthi ubaba nomama no matter how busy they are kodwa iyaba ne sign ingane ukuthi lo uzoba good entene so uma engena esitolo nathi wena 2 years wevela gijimela ibhola ena 2 years ubani wemfundisela ibhola ungakaza libona but ubaba wengane uyakwazi ukintroduce ingane yomfana elebholeni because uzoyithengela ibhola at 1 years uzoyibona ilikhahlela kanjani athi lokho unayo into ukuthi engadlala ibhola so ubaba is got an age uthisha une side of educational is got an age ukuthi asho ukuthi hayi lengane yamhlula imaths ayikho right lengane esikoleni but sesiyibonile ke manje obidlala ibhola ayisuthisha ukuthi ayi igude ebholeni
yaswinisa lapha
then uthisha kusengakwazi ukuthi athi lengane ayisuke la iyongena lapha ifocus kwizinto zezandla noma something that will fall on uma lento yebhola ingenzeki
hayi bambe msholozi kena kuyona le topic next time guys siyadwela kuyona bengithi nje ngifake kancane because kuyahambisana hand in hand so besijoinwe nawe uSandile ke which is the manager or umphathi wala ePine Town Spare ePine Creek guys amakhadi asakhona msholozi
asakhona amakhadi asakhona kusasa nje lokho kusayo umuntu ongakazi ayibona ishadow night we've got a shadow shift tomorrow you come here at Spare tomorrow we're doing it again and again and again celebrating birthdays for everyone abazalwe this month we are grateful sithinize ngomningi beni starting at 5 o'clock we also have a space so umuntu ongathi nama ngifuna ukuzofunda ukuwaiter I'm from Pine Town Boys I'm from where but I'm not playing for isicelo but I just want this opportunity and this plan nje ukuthi ngibone kuwaiter kanjani to learn isicelo is about that uvulela wonke umuntu so one space is open up for 2 spaces ungafika la ePine Town uze nabazali bakho we'll put in that roster asekhona amakhadi tomorrow it's yona ishadow shift ezobenza kusasa la ePine Town lesikhona la Spare kusasa
so amakhadi ethu konje msholozi atholakala kanjani akhona Spare noma mele sixhumane
noZuma uma wafuna amakhadi or uyafika Spare inquiry bazobe sesikutholela akhona kodwa amakhadi ngawathola futhi nase Sandy Center ongayi Sandy Center ngafika wathola amakhadi asho nje ukuthi hayi ngizofuna ikhadi lesicelo nami you will be able to get it.
Thank you so much. No guys msholozi sekusho konke singena ke kuleli bhola lana obhutshuzwayo leli ling
sesikhona
la game msholozi
nazo MTN rating ready ngama score ngiready ngabantu ba winners ngiready kunwinners guys so be ready
okay msholozi singene kuyona Kaizer Chiefs number 1 njalo
hayi siyazi sazoyibona
currently la MTN 8 ayaqala Saturday saka 8 which is
ngiready nje manje thatha ipen nephepha ekhaya uwin imali
nalibhakabhaka guys neDurban City badlala ngo3
o'clock 2-0
ngibuza ukuthi ba
arena
ngabe ngisabuza
arena 2
yeah okay sibe ne Mamelodi Sundowns idlala nani konje lapha oba lapha iPolokwane City FC badlala ngo6 same day 4 guys
ngishama correct scores 4-0 to the African champions
hamba ngama levels okay siya ku Sunday mhla ka9 August ngo3 again uSuthu libhekene nesikhukhuni
2-1
uSuthu
olumabheshu
okay siphinde sithi ngo6 same day FNB Stadium
unomngani wami kodwa laphana ku sikhukhune Papu Zothwane so I believe got Amazulu for a very good age 2-1 will be the score for
Amazulu nesikhukhuni okay bese kuzothi ngo6 same day wango Sunday iKaizer Chiefs bese ibhekana neGolden Arrows Bafana Base.
Bahlezi besho bethi awukho unyaka ongafiki asike isikhathi esingafiki. Kaizer Chiefs 3 Arrows 0.
Yes. 3-0.
Sengiqedile angishintshi angijiki njalo nje.
Umoya usho njalo.
Basho njalo bathi 3 Kaizer Chiefs 0 Arrows. There are so many reasons why ngokutshela ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa isho njalo nje into iphelela lapho ngeke kube less than. Ngeke kube less than. Khona into ebayenzile ekwatise not ikwatisa neuniverse.
Okay.
So 3-0 Chiefs ngeke ilose lo game noma kuthiwe bayakhala bethanda bengathandi ngeke ilose. Ngiyasho kubalandeli bebhola ngithi unyaka wayo iKaizer Chiefs lo unyaka wayo sizophela isikhathi sokuhlekwa ngayo they are going to do well this year. I've got that feeling they are going to do well this year. They are going to do well.
Msholozi has said it, the legend himself. No guys, ikhona breakfast la ePantown Spare. Make sure ukuthi ke mawubheja laphayana ungaphezulu iminyaka we18 and ubheja uyicabangela. Lana Msholozi ni player bets this one. Awuthi fahla kancane before sivala. I think by betting.
Yeah, by betting company nabo banokuba nathi kakhulu. So look up for them as well. Basilekelela kakhulu la grassroots. But njengoba besho bathi ubheja kusuka kuminyaka we18. But they are very much involved ngeside ukuthi basilekelele ngeequipment. So nathi siyafisa baziwe babe khona.
Exactly.
Yes, it's very important.
No, siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi. Thanks for your time. Thanks for ukuhlezi usicobelelisa ngolwazi. And guys, ngicela ningabukeli kuphela, ngicela nikhulume nathi lapha nis challenge. Give questions nifike nama topic nanamasha nifisa ukuthi engage kuona. For me, I'm signing out. Atsonibona next time guys on the next episode.
Esibuya nama results. Siyabonga nibe njalo. Ama results azobe khona nami ngiyabonga kakhulu. Keep on loving us, support us, subscribe and like our pages. We are grateful. Siyabonga.
Hlangane spec sasa ntambama.
Ntambama.